body feels heavy, but that's the sound of your soul. Your eyes are tired, but it's a scream to yourself. Life seems to offer something, but not what you're missing. Your soul cries out for peace, so don't ignore its call. Don't break, and if you do, rebuild yourself with renewed senses to live the life you've always dreamed of. Your body feels heavy, but that's the sound of your soul. But that's the sound of your soul. Don't break, and if you do, rebuild yourself with renewed